Welcome to English Easy Learn. I'm very happy to welcome you all. I'm Murad Pudraj. In this video, we are going to discuss the 600 words. So please keep trying, keep practicing. The words what I picked are the most used words. So keep practicing. You will see your improvement of reading English. Let's enter into the today's words. Can't, can't. Matter, matter. Square, square. Syllables, syllables. Perhaps, perhaps. Bill, bill. Felt, felt. Suddenly, suddenly. Test, test. Direction, direction. Center, center. Farmers, farmers. Ready, ready. Anything, anything. Divided, divided. General, general. Energy, energy. Subject, subject. Europe, Europe. Moon, moon. Region, region. Return, return. Believe, believe. Dance, dance. Picked, picked. Simple, simple. Cells, cells. Paint, paint. Mind, mind. Love, love. Cause, cause. Rain, rain. Exercise, exercise. Eggs, eggs. Train, train. Blue, blue. Wish, wish. Drop, drop. Developed, developed. Window, window. Difference, difference. Distance, distance. Heart, heart. Sit, sit. Some, some. Summer, summer. Wall, wall. Forest, forest. Legs, legs. Sat, sat. Main, main. Winter, winter. Wide, wide. Return, return. Length, length. Reason, reason. Kept, kept. Interest, interest. Arms, arms. Brother, brother. Race, race. Present, present. Beautiful, beautiful. Store, store. Job, job. Edge, edge. Past, past. Sign, sign. Record, record. Finished, finished. Discovered, discovered. Wild, wild. Beside, beside. Gone, gone, sky, sky, glass, glass, million, million, west, west, lay, lay, weather, weather, root, root, instruments, instruments, meat, meat, third, third, months, months, paragraph, paragraph, raised, raised, represent, represent, soft, soft, weather, weather, clothes, clothes, flowers, flowers, shall, shall, teacher, teacher, held, held, describe, describe,